As you can see, they have a big picture frame here, so you can do photos of the waterfall in the background.
In Hunua Falls, that's the parking.
And rather than looping around, going up and so
So is it across this one?
That's the information.
well, I think I'd just go across this one probably.
Yeah.
Going now.
Because the signs are up here though, which is good.
Going to Hunua Falls. This one. Keep going.
On our way to Hunua Falls. No, that's not the falls.
It's quite long, eh? Last time it's like wider.
Yeah. As you can see, they have a big picture frame here, so you can do photos of the waterfall in the background.
Yeah, last time it's wider like that. Now it's like two lines, like
Yeah.
lines.
The middle of summer now, so not too much water coming down. It's very warm in that sun. You can hear the water. So what it's like around here. Yeah. Right. Now we're going to go across a little bridge here.
We need to clean our foot.
Yep.
Clean,
And
clean.
just going to brush. Okay. See. Scrub our feet. Oh.
Ow!
Oh. See? disinfect our feet.
Ow! It's wet.
Now we're all disinfected, so stop the cowrie dying.
The insect from us is die.
Yeah. Hi there. Yeah, last time we were here, this bridge wasn't open. It wasn't far off being opened. But see, we'll have a look and see. There's the falls. As you can see, yeah, it comes down here. Creek carries on down under this bridge. And keeps on going down there. Oh, there is an eel in the river there. You can just see it. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. Oh, there's two of them. There's another one more into the centre. Just there. And there's another one just up over here. Yeah. So there's two of them. I was just talking about on a daylight today would be in here early, and next minute there's two of them. The eel's still there.
Yeah, I've got a video of it.
Eel.
Yeah, you can see it
Balut.
just over there.
See, a small balut.
And then there's one.
Is there another one?
The other one's a little bit further up that
Oh,
way.
in the middle now.
In the middle there.
Oh, that one's sticking out quite a bit now.
See, oh look, here it comes. Oh, it's making a good beeline for the bridge here.
Oh, look, coming. Ooh, balut. Eel.
It's quite pale, that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, the water's getting a little bit rough now. Right, now we're going to walk across the bridge. Going to get onto this track. Okay, and
This way.
so we're going to go to down here. Go to, yep, going to go to the waterfall. And it says there's a loop track, so we shall have a look. Right, okay, so there's the lookout and the loop track, but we shall go down here to the base of the waterfall. And then we'll go up around the top. What more cicadas here? Oh look, there's a couple of cicadas on this tree. keep going. That was another cicada. There's a lot of them, or jangkrik, as they say in Indonesia. Right, now we're going to go here to the waterfall. Have a look around. Get close to it. Alright, just a walk down. Try not to fall down the steps. That's where we were before, it's over that side. Have to be a mountain goat to get up and down here. Okay, getting closer. But we just had to get down. There's a little lookout just up there, so I'll have a look soon. Keep walking. So that's where I walked from, up there where Yessi is standing. When we first came in, that's where we were there. Now we've come over this side, close to the waterfall. And there, as you can see. I'll get closer so we can get right up. See how vertical it is. Very impressive under here, even though it's only a small waterfall. I can get a little closer. head back over our little goat track here, and there's some stairs up to a lookout. So we shall go and have a look at the lookout. No, it's a small waterfall. It's quite impressive, even just for a small waterfall. So imagine this, it is in the middle of winter and lots of water coming over here. But even that small one, you can feel the ground do a little bit of a shake, just with the water coming down. So I'm just going to walk back over here. Okay, I shall look up this one again. Yep, going to go up there. So we're going to go up those stairs up to the lookout. Let's go up here, up the stairs. Yeah, it's not too bad from the lookout here. I see the pool. A few more people here now. And then carry on up there and follow the track back again. Right, let's go. I will just follow. Now I've been down that one. Well, pretty much. We'll just follow the top one. Yeah. There's a few predator traps around. See, they've got little bait station. Don't know if there's any bait in there though. To help get rid of rodents and the unwanted visitors. This is getting very warm now. Okay. Another bait trap. Little cicada shells. This little cicada shell. See how it looks. Ugly looking things, aren't they? And then they're turning out to be those noisy things that we see and hear. Another bait trap. I don't think there's any bait in there. I think it's all gone. Oh, it's got a little cicada up here.
You want to pick them up?
He's just climbing up there now.
Yeah, it's been there the whole time.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
That's what comes out of those little, you see the little shells. Yeah. So it looks like he's making his way up the tree to get up as high as he can. Oh, okay. So there are a lot of them here in the trees, but they're just all quiet. Oh yeah.
I think there's a couple up there that somewhere.
Yeah.
Well.
Yep. I'll see if we can zoom it in and get up closer to it.
Look, dragonfly.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, another one here.
Oh, there's two of them. There's one here and that one there.
Here.
Literally one there, one there. And then there's one that's on the other side, just below it.
It's climbing up there.
Yep. Eh. Come on. Look, down on this floor.
Gone away. I'll go back to this one.
Another one here.
Okay.
Oh, is that how you cook them?
Okay,
they're
so
not
see,
quiet.
just got him on my...
I just
Hey, see that? There he is. See? He's just flying onto this hand now. Right, yeah. Alright, we'll put him back on the tree. He wants to get on the tree.
Give me the...
Oh,
no.
he's just blowing off.
Just like the one.
I think they're
See, look.
recording when I scare.
They are flying around everywhere in here. Cicadas. See? Flying to see potential mates.
I'm scared.
You can hear them, they're pretty close.
They fly like a jumping.
Oh,
They fly again.
Oh, there we go, look. See? Got these two here. There's one's a male and one's a female. There we go.
They're doing really good. Another one coming.
So we try like that small one, so maybe it's a female one. The other one was the bigger one and he flew away with the other one. Ah. That poor cicada just got jilted by that guy. Okay, let's keep walking. Yeah.
So those don't even bite at all, do they?
No.
How's feeling when they're moving on your hand?
Funny?
Not moving.
They tickle?
Is it tickle?
Yeah.
Tickle like they wanna bite
No,
or?
they don't bite.
Yeah, I mean tickle like
They tickle
they
like they
will
tickle.
bite you.
No.
Tickle
just like
just tickle drrrr, like that.
The one I picked up.
Like giggling, 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 tickle.
Well, this one says,
The look.
so this one here's a 15 minutes to the upper lookout.
There.
Okay, so we'll go up here, we'll have a look, shall we?
Yes.
We'll go up and see what this lookout is.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Hunua Falls Lookouts and loop track, but we will just go and have a look at the lookout. So we should go up here and have a look. Yeah, see, more traps. See, there's another bait station or traps up there. Okay, let's keep walking.
Look at Cicada here.
Yes, it's good coming this time of year. Get all the sounds of nature.
Now we're walking on the jungle.
Yeah, look.
Jungle in Auckland.
Tiger come jumping out of the bush. Hey, look. That goes on down there. See? Lots of native bush. Another trip there, the bait station. Yep. Yeah, I can puff me a little bit.
Tired already?
It's all uphill. It's kind of mean one good thing when you come back, it's all downhill. See, look at this bush. Yeah, a lot more steps over there. Going alright, guys?
Yeah.
Puffy,
Pretty
puffy.
hot.
Yeah, very humid in here. Right, okay, so across the boardwalk.
Keep going.
Yep.
I need water. Water on the car.
There's some of the waterfall there. And a little creek. A little creek. Right, we go up the stairs.
Up again.
Up again.
Hey.
Let's get our steps workout going.
Adventure in the hill, in the fall.
And a little wobbler bird. Alright, let's have a look, see what we've got here, eh? A little wetter hotel.
They have
Oh, no. There's nothing in this one.
empty.
empty. They've all checked out.
Available for the hotel.
Oh.
But the waiter doesn't want to go there.
Yeah. Okay. There's not a vacancy sign on this one, but should be, because there's nobody in it. Okay, let's have a look, see if we can find any more. No, another bait station. Let's see, bait station. Yep.
For look.
Yep.
Number 5.
Yep, and then there's the orange one up here as well. Alright, see.
So we make a look for this
Yep.
and then go back again, or
Yeah, well, Luke means it goes round.
it goes around.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will return from here as well, right?
Yeah. Oh, not this way, we'll just see where it ends up.
Yeah.
Hopefully it ends up back down there again.
Oh, they have a
Oh, there we
sign
go.
there.
Yeah.
Just look out to the top, I think.
I think there's a lookout up there,
Yes,
so we'll go and have a look.
To the lookout
Yeah.
here. That was car park.
Don't know what's up here. I'll go and have a look.
That way to the fall. Yeah. We
Yeah, and back to the car park.
car park, fall.
Gonna have a look, see what's on this little track. As you can see, it's got a marker. So it says Fool's Loop. Yeah, and there's the other cicada there, see? See, another one there. Oh, there's another one.
Cicada.
There's another one there doing nothing. That one up the top making all the noise.
It's flying around.
Yeah. So we shall follow the track here. Okay, here we go. There's a lookout right up the top here.
What? Jump click?
Yeah,
Oh, what?
Die?
yeah, it's a dead one.
Where is it?
Cicada. Die. That.
Okay, here we go. Look, got to a big lookout. Oh, look at this. First time I've been here. Oh. There we go, look at this.
We are on the top of the hill. Into the fall.
Alright, we finally got to the lookout. First time I've been here. Let's have a look. Okay, look at that. It's quite nice from here. Would be quite good to go up to the top of the waterfall. Oh, here's it. No, eyes so funny.
Yeah.
I need to do it without the glasses on, I think. Yeah. Alright. It's a bit cooler here, isn't it? We've made it up to the lookout. Never been here before, but it looks pretty good. As you can see, falls are in the background. Can hear it quite clearly from here. A lot of cicadas. So now we're just finishing off this loop, going to head back to the car park. Okay, we'll catch you on the downside. Here we go, we're going back. It's all downhill from here. This is, I'm pretty unfit. Just giving my legs a good workout, which is good. I'll get down to the car, check my phone, see how many steps I've done.
So is this nail for weapon?
No, that's poison bait for,
Poison?
yeah, for rodents and lots of rats and possums and stuff like that. Okay, so now we're going to go around the track instead of the shortcut like we did over the top before. And we'll see what it says at the crossing here. Let's see, look at all the bush, look. This is what New Zealand used to be like before all these trees used to get chopped down for various things, for clearing for farmland and stuff. But they didn't have ready-made tracks like this, so way back a long time ago. Right, okay, so we are now at the crossroads.
Which one?
Okay, so we came up from this one here, the right one, which you can see here. So it says car park, so we're going to go to the left one, carry on to the other side of the car park. Wind is still blowing through and it's quite warm.
Nice.
See, there's another bait trap, so with no bait in it, so which may mean a good thing. That something's come and taken it away.
Found it again. Rider.
Yeah,
Cricket.
there's more of them. You don't sort of realise how loud they are, especially with our human ear, but then you listen to it through the camera and it's way different. It's good walking through bush like this, knowing that there's nothing here that can kill you, except for a tree, or if you're silly and fall down the bank. That's about the only things that can kill you. So,
Smelly leaf.
yeah,
Rock.
yeah. So, walking through here.
Lucky it's dry. See, the soil is
Yeah.
dry enough, right? Yeah, because sometimes.
Yeah. It would be very, very damp here, alright, in winter. Right, now we've got to another crossroads.
Slippery, slippery, a lot of sand here.
Little pebbles.
Well, which way?
Yep, keep going, left. See, to the car park. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
See, that's where we went before. We did the loop walk, the Hunua Falls loop walk, which is a 20-minute walk, but it took us longer because we just taken our time. Otherwise we got the extra long 3-hour return loop. We don't have time for that. So we're just on our final leg now of going back to the car park. Okay, so here we go. See? Alright, exit stage left to the car park. Yeah. Yeah. Just see they look like little mailboxes. Yeah. All the punga ferns, tree ferns, look at them all. Click. Candles. It's slightly easier walking down the hill. The heads there, I don't know what that's for or from.
I don't know, but nothing here, nothing.
No, probably not. I don't know how often they fill them up. Okay, here we go. Back down to here, back down to the bridge. Let's see what this little sign says here to do with this stuff. Ah, it says private property, keep out. So it is private property over here, bordering this part. Okay, here we go. We're back to the bridge, back to where we began. Okay, so as you can see, so we went that way, and we went to the, it says that little lookout. Then we came back, and then we took a turn right and went up through the big loop. Okay, so when we came in, we went here, okay, to the lower lookout. So we went to lookout and to the base of the waterfall. Then we left the waterfall, went to the lookout, and then we took a right turn and went up to another track, which ended up being this one here. And then we went to the upper lookout, and now we've just come back from this way back to where we started from. So now we're just going to cross the bridge, which is right here, back to the car park. So that was our afternoon in Hunua Falls in the Hunua Ranges in Auckland. Hope you've enjoyed it, because I have. It's been quite warm. Nothing beats going up and down a couple of tracks you've never been up and down before. So as you can see, we're back here. This is where it started from. We were here, we saw eels in the creek, went to the base of the waterfall over there. You can see way over there. And then we went through the bush all the way up there, all the way up to, I think the lookout may be up there, and now we've just come back this way and back to here. Right, so now going back to the car, then go and get stuck in traffic for the next couple of hours to get back home. Right, it's coming to the end of it now. And as it says, leave only your footprints. There's been no rubbish left by us at all. And I hope plenty of other people, when they do this type of stuff, don't drop rubbish. Any rubbish they find, pick up, bring it back, put it in the waste disposal bins like they should do. Okay. The only thing that you leave from this place are your footprints and fantastic memories. Okay guys, well, just coming back out to where we started from. We now have to wash our feet again. Okay, so this is fun. Take any dirt off the jandals in here, squish it all. Look at that. Ew. Wet feet. Okay, disinfect, now we walk out. Right, that's it. Back to our car. Okay. See us all later. Bye.